bia kamal ka nor online TV channel te kon ka lermi bi kon lingwa seme ka kwi korin kon lat ka rodien te ka jom be nywa ya kel bani kata da na len ngwana rodien ke je korin kon to ere which ka greta panal de kon lat no korin to kamalakal shit ke je jenbor en to kor ke de ni SSPDF kene de ni agwelek force ere which en winemi name bana jeling kajan leramani name abden mi bum bum go liang okay rande je gurno de jeling mandana lerode beje play tama biya jeling ano kenyam biya ngaji woni ne jejen bor chicken canal chicken kef chicken weje chal kame e korfalut chicken kef o kujemi lo tele karek kan godang ro to chicken ga kef okay wo kana gwalo lo gwal dan ci dot karwade e malakal iyo mo kon ben lo bana ben right ku kujeme ke do lip okay ban je bi jigala ka we shal ke wachane bana bi jigano cha ka dag bo ngoda to lo godi yarati ka goda cha dag kan goda content dong de ngoda mat ano de ka goten content wo ka malakala lo ti dial almost any ne te la kor kono ya tar goden content ngot tin kana jekka tin kono tie ka malakal kana do dana dong de yirde jango ka ja bana jome bana jelinkel ka do dana len ngaru den ka ja okay ani chan jelinkel
white army to succeed ka kanal kana korpulus so jo korean tera walle ngulu no chaga kap kan gol dangra woto mangi kanal ngi korpulus direct malakal to gubel so mulunu makal ke this part of southern makal yiga dial ja poto ken worker ka unimis kira ga tayalat panogo wata at wo ku yer ka kuduk watanken ga unimis so mulunu makal is under siege ka west kana sauce Namo is very good development this morning hour that 19 kiramela no one west la west makal ku year makal gote ya kamu kon goling nu cha wa cha kap cha lele ke godo ken tie ke wano cha kap kan dial nu ne chala makal next step and the whole complication area of western makal one corner thiega makal chega ditang chega lele tage piu kam den ke makal so it need plan people are planning who they will approach makal di ke kuje me ka southern part of makal gar canal so now they occupy canal Bukuma Betel way to come back to canal, and the question will be the crossing of canal. Canal Bakula crossed and they are white army, go take you into canal. So they will find a way, but what about Gorokan, no canal back cross Gaja? What the Enkamakal, Ubel. Yeah. So no more development Kamakal. So when we talk of Eastern Malakal, Eastern Upper Nile, you talk of Nasser, you talk of Wulang. So we already acknowledge Wulang without a fight. Tell me, Channel Rajodian, Channel weakness, ni network, country dialogue, Wulang. So now the question is moving today, this morning, cadet 18, toward Nasser. Share for social media video how they move toward Nasser. The question now we want to prepare people of Nasser are one weekend we cannot talk about them like one weekend they are ready to fight them. So as we know in war Iran, the strength of your enemy and the weaknesses of your enemy so they in another way ataram kai milar wona ne tele de ke foreign troop tele Uganda matin ke tele mercenaries from other countries like Sudan like rapid support force they are not there ke jang fewer jang so mede ne de wana de jal ke le de kan wor moy de ni ya wo jabaro kwa mi kien daga tin ya ru nang tar jube ya ru nang ga divisionat ti ya nga ga division 7 ni ko ngu ya organize kan ya nang wan do to ga li nang wan so mu no ngu mu we gu kware te le de mi chom le ngu so ko li nang wan ti kwa gu mi less than 5,000 kwa command again ma anamo wan kwarge ko ande li nang wan amana mit amana colonel amani mugadam amani raili amani captain ti amune so mu no egu mo gu kware ne we really al gadong ke koine so cha kodni ke be ni kana much we know our people Wanakon she gave shit of this thing. So based on the position of Jinater ko jang chibulo ulang, it is a matter of hours. Kortang big audience face. So there we will be happy. And chikomro longer one and a bad mijago juj between Nather and Wulang. Bikul wone. So no more be go chara can go with New York, Warren. I'm sure baga juj. Ngay dien go ba ngay tino. Lem ne je go am to ko. So roy mo jen jangwade.